How to fix iMessage not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bushaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then scroll down and you will see the option for apps. Tap on that and scroll down again and navigate to messages. Tap on messages and now go ahead and make sure the toggle button for iMessage is enabled, and if it is already enabled then you can also try to refresh the iMessage toggle button by simply toggling it off and waiting for a few minutes and then toggling it on again. Now tap on the send and receive option you see there and make sure the correct addresses are selected for your iMessage. Now go ahead and open iMessage and see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then make sure that you can only send iMessage to the individual who has enabled iMessage on their phone. If they have not enabled iMessage on their phone, then you will not be able to send them iMessage anyway. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and make a quick restart to your phone, as a quick restart helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. Restart and then refresh your connection and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, this is how you can fix iMessage not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.